Do you want to learn how to make money online? If yes, then get ready to earn thousands of dollars online. There are many ways to earn money online. Some methods are easy, some are a bit difficult, but not impossible. So in today's video I will tell you some ways to earn money online. All methods are very profitable, by following which you can easily earn thousands of dollars a month, but I will tell you some of the best ways, which you can make your passive income source. You must have a mobile phone, a laptop, and a good internet connection. If you have all these three things, then be ready to earn money online. You can make money from all over the world by sitting on your seat, with the help of just a laptop and the internet. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then first subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get the updates of our videos. One more thing, I will tell you a secret way to earn money online at the end of the video, so watch the full video. So let's start the video. Here are a few ways you can start making money online. Number first, sell products or services online. Selling products or services online is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Start it if you have something to sell, whether it's handmade goods, vintage finds, or digital products. There are numerous platforms where you can do so. You can either create your own website and sell directly to customers, or you can use a marketplace such as Amazon or eBay. You can create your website by yourself. To create a website you need a domain name and a hosting. If you have both of these things, then you can easily create a website. If you are creating a website in the beginning, so Hostinger will be best for you. If you want to buy hosting, then you can buy from our link. Per second. Earn money through affiliate marketing. The easiest way to earn money from affiliate marketing is to associate with a company or person and promote its product or service online. You can earn money by selling their products and services online with the help of your website, blog, YouTube channel or Facebook, Instagram, Twitter account. By promoting the products or services of other businesses on your website or blog, you can earn a commission. ClickBank, Impact Radius, Amazon Affiliate Program, ShareScale and Commission Junction, etc. are some of the most popular affiliate networks. All have different commission rates. Some affiliate networks even give up to 70% commission to the marketers. So this is a very good online business model, which you can start with almost zero investment. To promote any product, you first have to join any affiliate program, and then you can promote any product. Number third. Consider creating an online course or ebook on a topic. If you have knowledge or skills to share, you can develop and sell online courses and earn money from students who take your courses. You're passionate about sharing if you want to earn more money. To reach a larger audience base more quickly, you can promote your product through social media channels or paid advertising platforms such as Google AdWords. Whatever path you choose, keep in mind that the key to making money online is finding a method that fits your skill set and schedule, so you can stick with it long enough to see results. Number fourth. Offer consulting or coaching services. If you are an expert in a specific field, you can offer your services online and earn money by assisting others. Many people nowadays use the internet to seek professional advice, so this could be an excellent opportunity for those with the necessary skill set. Simply create a page on social media or a website outlining your consulting services and rates, then wait for clients to contact you. Number 5. Create a blog. Another popular way to make money online is through blogging. Starting a blog could be a good idea if you enjoy writing and have something interesting to say. For blogging, you must have a website. You can create a blog website on WordPress with the help of hosting and a domain name. You can choose your blog niche according to your interest and write a blog on that topic. You can earn money in many ways in blogging, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, brand promotion, selling courses and etc. Number 6. Perform freelance work. Don't want to commit to a single project. Instead, think about freelancing. There are numerous websites that connect businesses and individuals with freelancers for a variety of projects, such as web design, content writing, graphic design, and many others. Again, if you have a skill that others require, this could be a simple way for you to begin making money online right away. If you want to earn money sitting at home, then Fiverr can be a great platform for you. Fiverr is an online market platform where digital services are exchanged. You do not have any boss in freelancing work. Here you work on your own. Your clients pay you according to the work you do. Simply go to fiverr.com, open your account here, and create your portfolio. Number 7. Teaching or tutoring online in a specific subject. Do you have experience teaching or tutoring online in a specific subject? Many students around the world would be willing to pay for your expertise if you could set up an online course or provide one-on-one tutoring sessions. Sites like Udemy and Skillshare provide educator waivers, making it easier and less expensive than ever to get started. So these are some of the most important ways to earn money online. If you would have noticed, I told you that. I will tell you a secret way to earn money online. A secret way for you to make money online, which is making money online, is by taking surveys. One easy way to make money online is by taking surveys. You can sign up for free with companies like Survey Junkie or Inbox Dollars and start earning rewards just for giving your opinion. Another option is starting a blog. With just a few hours per week, you can create content that will attract thousands of readers and generate income through advertising or affiliate marketing relationships. Participating in paid surveys is a final option for making money on the internet. Companies are willing to pay good money for average consumers' opinions, so this can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. All you have to do is find a survey platform you trust and sign up for an account. There are several advantages of making money online. 1. You can be your own boss. One of the most significant benefits of making money online is that you have complete control. You have complete control over how much or how little work you do and when you do it. 2. There is no need for investment. Another significant benefit is that starting an online business typically requires far less initial investment than traditional businesses. You can often start an online business with very little money. You don't need a physical location or expensive equipment. Of course, it depends on how you intend to make money online, but in most cases, all you need is a computer and an internet connection, which can be found in any home. You don't need an office. Simply designate a working space in your home and transform it into an adorable home office. You can plan your tasks and working hours around your other scheduled activities, rather than the other way around. You can work any day, any hour, and from any location, as long as you have an internet connection. So in today's video, I told you 8 profitable ways to earn money online. So if the video is helpful, then like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So see you in another video. Thanks for watching our video.